In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Predrox Oakley M-frame replacement lenses. Without further ado, let's jump into it. So I ordered these Predrox replacement lenses on Amazon to replace these bad boys. These are not original Oakley M-frame lenses. I have no idea where I got them from. But these things are well worn out. If you can see, like right here, that paint is chipping and stuff like that. Let's see if we can get that in focus. Yeah. Close. Yeah. So the mirror is chipping, all that stuff. I had to basically had an extra M-frame nose piece, like an Oakley nose piece, that I basically adapted and just kind of fitted in there. You can see the lenses don't fit super well. They kind of go in there, but it's time for these things to go. Into the Predrox lenses. I ordered these on Amazon. I think they were like $20, something like that. I'll put the link in the description, no problem. But they shipped them in. I ordered red. I opened the box and take a peek at it, but I have not even tried to put them in or anything like that. I ordered red, and if you see this, they're not really red. They look kind of the same as my other ones, but I'm willing to give it a shot. I don't mind this. It's mirrored, and so it's kind of cool. They look similar, but it's a different brand, different company. So hopefully these things will do the trick. So I've got my M-frame. If you're like me, you love this frame, but for the longest time you have not been able to find a replacement lens for it. In the box, sorry, getting off track. In the box we have another nose piece and some ear socks with it. So lens, ear socks, nose piece, frames are mine. Anyway, but like I was saying, if you love these frames, Oakley doesn't make replacement lenses anymore. So I think I wore my frames out like 3 years ago. And so I went into the Oakley store and I was like, hey, I need a new pair of lenses. And they said, yeah, we don't make those anymore. You can maybe call customer care, which was literally no help. So I ordered these for a triathlon because I wanted the sleek frame to be able to wear when I was in triathlon, or when I was doing my triathlon. If you haven't heard, you didn't watch message to my subscribers, that's no more, but I'll put a link of that video in this card right here. So this is everything that came in the package. So 2 ear socks, lenses, nose piece, and I haven't dry fitted it. I haven't done anything. This is literally the first time I actually opened it and got it out of the package. Oh, there's something else in here. Oh, a little polarizer card, so you can test and see if they're polarized or not. So we're just basically gonna go through it, and I'm gonna put them all together, and you can see for yourself along with me. See how they fit, how they look. See if this is something that you would want to buy for your Oakley M-frames. Now, I must say, this video is not sponsored in any way. I simply ordered these. I'm trying to find a solution for my M-frames because I love the design of the frame. It's super sleek and really lightweight. But anyway, not sponsored. I'll put the link in the description. They have every style. So these are heaters. They have the sweeps. They have the hybrids, everything like that. If you're an M-frame person, you know what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first thing to do is take off these ear socks. Throw those away. Those are super worn out too. So let's just get into it. Put the fat part in first. Slide them babies on there. It's not want to go. Come on. Not off to a great start. It's going. It's a tight fit, but it looks like I'd rather be a tight fit than not. Those are decent. They're kind of loose, but that's, I mean, it's better than what I had on there. So going back to the right one. This one goes on a little bit easier. Maybe spoke too soon. There it goes. Alright, so that one, well, it fits about the same. A little loose. They kind of twirl a little bit. I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a little bit of turn in there. It's not ideal, but it's not the end of the world either. So ear socks are on. The only thing I really wish that they would have done is given me the option to pick my color ear socks, because I would have would probably pick white or something like that. But who knows? All right, nose piece going in. See how this fits. I mean, it's manufactured for these lenses, so it should fit pretty well. Oh, not in the. When these things all sorts of fingerprinted. That's alright. I can clean them later. Alright. Okay. That's there. Nose piece installed. Good to go. Now, moment of truth. Do they fit in this lens or in this frame like they should? That's a good start. Alright, corners are in. Middle. This is what I had a problem with my last pair. That's it. Pretty snug. Good fit. Look like they should. Nice and vented. Pretty good. Right? I mean, for 20 bucks and not an Oakley product, it was pretty good. Nice and snug. Alright, now let's see how they wear. So I got the glasses on now, and I must say, this is pretty close to the actual M-frame. I'm impressed. Predox, you've done a good job. I mean, the ear socks feel good. The lens, the nose piece, number one, feels fantastic. It's like a little bit thicker than the Oakley one was, and I know that it fits. I like the lens. I mean, I'm inside right now, so I can't really see, what it's going to do in the sunlight. But it looks like it's mirrored. I can't stand when I can see through the glass. Like people could see my eyes and stuff. But looking at this little card, I see the fish. If I take them off, I don't see the fish. I see the fish. So the polarizing works. Overall, I'm pretty impressed. I mean, they need to be cleaned, but I buy them again. Pretty impressive little lens for 20 bucks. I mean, what more could you ask for? Like I said, I put the link in the description if you want to pick yourself up a pair. If you've got a pair of M-frames that are you've seen better days with your lenses and you're looking for a good replacement lens, I recommend them. I mean, it's to be determined in a wear test, but after the unboxing and just kind of seeing how it is, 10 out of 10. After the wear test, we'll be able to figure it out even more. I was looking to see if I had a lens cloth in here, but I don't. So, hey, Predox lens, maybe go pick one up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.